Hi and welcome to the channel. This video is about the hell is this snack noodle. It's spicy curry flavor. It was bought in the Aldi, one of the cheapest grocery stores in Europe. So it was quite cheap crap. And as you can see, there are some peas inside. Maybe beans, who knows. Let's check the taste. Perfect crap for student, 30 cents. However, the taste is a bit flat. It's not really spicy. And I feel like too watery. Yeah, so it should be curry and pea soup with creepy noodles. Noodles itself are not really good. So anyway, I can recommend if you have no coins or only 30 cents. You need to make yourself, well, you can't kill the hunger within us. Yeah, decision is yours. See you later.